Hampshire Sheen, fanatical about finishing, 2-minute tutorial series. Citrus burnishing oil. Step 1. Sand your work. We recommend 400 grit, but 240 or 320 will also give good results. Wipe away the dust between the grits. Step 2. Use methylated spirits, denatured alcohol, to clean the grain as much as possible. To open the bottle, locate the plastic ring in the cap, snap it open and pull up to reveal the spout. Carefully pull off the ring pull. Your bottle is now open. Step 3. With the lathe stationary, liberally apply some of the oil using a paper towel. Step 4. Start the lathe and with a new folded piece of paper towel apply some pressure to the surface to begin burnishing. Use enough pressure to warm the oil, but not enough that it becomes hot to the touch. Apply more coats in the same way as required. Step 6. The burnishing is complete when there is no more residue coming onto the paper towel. You can also check residue by rubbing the piece with your fingers with the lathe stationary. If there is oil on them, more burnishing is required. When finished using the product, wipe the neck of the spout and replace the red cap. Do not push the spout back inside. Leave the application towels out to dry until the product is cured. Then dispose of them safely. Step 7. When there is no residue left, the burnishing is complete and the piece will be good for use when any fruity aroma has disappeared.